Harmful bacteria that cause several deadly diseases often use a special injection process to deliver their viral load into the host cell. Researchers have now invented a new method to replace the toxin in the bacteria's nano-syringe with different proteins, and then inject them into cells. This achievement has given hope to use bacterial syringes as drug transporters in medicine. Researchers will continue their research to understand how these toxins attack a cell so that they develop a new way to treat cancer cells with minimal side effects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steamdaily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.